In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete text in Adobe Acrobat. Let's get started by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you are using a version of Acrobat that supports editing, such as Standard or Pro. If you are in the free reader and don't see editing options, that's usually why. Once your document is open, give it a moment to fully load so all text layers are ready to work with. Next, enter Edit mode. At the top, click Tools and choose Edit PDF. You can also find the Edit PDF tool in the right-hand pane for quick access. When Edit mode is active, Acrobat analyzes the page and identifies text boxes, which will let you make precise changes without affecting the rest of the layout more than necessary. Now choose what you want to remove. If you only need to delete a few words or a short phrase, click into the text and drag your cursor across the exact words you want to highlight. Zoom in if it helps you be more precise. If you want to remove an entire block of text, click the text box until a blue bounding box appears around it. That blue outline tells you Acrobat has selected the whole text object, which makes it easier to remove big chunks in one go. With your selection ready, delete it. Press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard to remove the highlighted text or the selected text box. If you prefer using the mouse, right-click the highlighted selection and choose Delete from the menu. If nothing happens, double-check that your text is actually selected highlighted for specific words or outlined with the blue box for entire blocks. And if you delete more than you intended, don't worry. You can undo immediately and try again. When you are happy with the edits, save your changes so they stick. Go to File, then Save, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+Phase on macOS. Saving updates the current file with your edits, so the next time you open it, the text you removed will be gone. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up: if you can't select text at all, the page might be a scanned image without real text. In that case, editing won't work until the document has selectable text. Also, keep an eye on formatting after deletions. Removing a line or a block may slightly reflow nearby text. So give the page a quick review before you save. That's it. Thanks for watching.